Nothing compares to the vivid yellow of turmeric or its fantastic health benefits. A spice with a long history in ancient Eastern cuisine and medical, religious, and social traditions, turmeric is undoubtedly one of the healthiest spices out there. You may be accustomed to seeing turmeric in cuisines such as curries, but with a splash of turmeric in water, you can create a beverage that will do wonders for your overall health. Please sit back and relax, as today we bring you the 9 amazing health benefits of drinking turmeric water. Does it really boost immunity and keep us healthy? Let's find out. The traditional belief that surrounds turmeric is that it has therapeutic powers. Science even supports this claim, as it's well known that turmeric contains curcuminoids, which have a wide range of medicinal uses, including antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is used in Ayurvedic medicine as a treatment for illness like allergies, joint pain, and skin conditions. Turmeric water particularly has health advantages during detox as it functions as a natural detoxer that removes toxins and promotes body renewal. Turmeric water is one of the best dietary supplements as it contains antioxidants, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-carcinogenic properties. It also contains large amounts of vitamin C, E, and K, and dietary fiber, protein, calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc. By drinking turmeric water daily, you can strengthen your immunity. Curcumin, an herb in turmeric, has been shown to boost defenses against free radical damage and immunity. Lipopolysaccharide is a substance found in turmeric widely known for its antiviral and antibacterial properties. It also relieves pain and inflammation. People across the Indian subcontinent have long combined a small amount of turmeric with milk or water to ease joint pain and reduce the risk of infection and flu. The anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric also treat minor inflammation and arthritic pain. Turmeric water helps in improving skin health. There are plenty of skin and beauty rituals that have included the use of turmeric. The antioxidants in turmeric limit the activity of free radicals responsible for making your skin age quickly. Daily consumption of turmeric water may help your skin appear more youthful, healthy, and radiant. Turmeric is excellent for digestion and weight loss. Good digestion is the only way to get a healthy metabolism, which is essential for long-term weight loss and management. Some of the chemicals in turmeric make the gallbladder more bile, helping facilitate a better digestive system and help lessen gas and bloating symptoms. Want to keep your liver healthy? Turmeric speeds up the production of essential enzymes that get rid of toxins in the blood before they get to the liver. For those who take potent medications for diabetes or other illnesses that could harm their liver with prolonged use, turmeric water could benefit you in the long run. Not to mention, it safeguards heart disorders. Most often, elevated cholesterol levels are what leads to heart problems. Turmeric can help improve the lining of blood vessels and lower cholesterol levels through curcumin to stop the blood from clotting in a way similar to aspirin, but less dangerous. Additionally, it aids in controlling blood coagulation and blood pressure. Turmeric water may help in the treatment of cancer. Due to its antioxidant properties, there is a possibility it may prevent illness like cancer by managing oxidative stress in the body. According to research, curcumin kills cancer cells in a variety of ways and slows the development of new blood vessels and tumors. It can aid in treating Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin helps with inflammation and oxidative damage linked to Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin has been shown to effectively maintain the healthy structure and operation of cerebral vessels, mitochondria, and synapses, lower risk factors for a number of chronic diseases, and lessen the risk of Alzheimer's disease, making it helpful in preventing and treating Alzheimer's disease. It also enhances memory and treats depression. If you're depressed, your brain makes less brain-derived neurotropic factors, BDNF, a protein that helps you learn and remember things. This causes the hippocampus, a region of the brain associated primarily with memory, to shrink. According to a study, curcumin can raise BDNF levels and potentially undo changes. Now, you may be asking yourself, how do I prepare turmeric water? Place a cup of water in a pot and bring it to a boil. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of lemon juice to a new cup. Now pour in the warm water. It may seem simple enough, but there is a trick to turmeric. For your body to be able to absorb this spice, you need to add a dash of pepper. If you'd like, add some honey at the end to make the beverage sweeter. Give it a good swirl and drink it warm. Due to the numerous health benefits of turmeric water, we recommend that you drink it every day before breakfast or right before bed. Drinking turmeric water has been found to improve overall wellness. Many health-conscious individuals are consuming turmeric water daily. Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more health and wellness videos. Here's what you need to know. Watch Eating Foods High in Antioxidants Would Do This to Your Body, or 11 sulfur-rich foods you need to eat. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and how to take better care of your body. Are you planning to drink turmeric water daily? Let us know in the comments below.